This may be shocking, but what if the very framework designed to uphold justice has been weaponized? What if judicial misconduct hides in plain sight, protected by its own intricate network of enablers? The truth is, there's an insidious mechanism at play, an unholy alliance between judicial authorities, law enforcement, legal practitioners, mental health experts, and even the media. Together they orchestrate campaigns of harm that devastate individuals, erode public trust, and dismantle lives. Let's unravel how it works. Picture this: a targeted individual, a human rights advocate, a whistleblower, or merely someone standing in the way of a powerful agenda. Suddenly their life descends into chaos. First, law enforcement labels them as a suspect or troublemaker, often with little or no evidence. Then the lawyers, entities charged with protecting clients' interests, conspire to weaken the victim's case, withholding crucial information or cooperating with the prosecution to ensure failure. Does justice seem murky yet? Now enter the mental health professionals who diagnose these victims with fabricated illnesses, an official stamp of unreliability that ensures their testimony seems doubtful and their defense is crippled. But the machinery doesn't stop there. The media often joins in, skewing narratives and presenting a biased, caricatured portrait of the victim. False stories circulate, public sentiment turns, and soon the victim's credibility is in tatters. Society no longer sees them as an advocate for truth, but as an outcast. Finally, the courts step in, where magistrates issue orders or judgments designed not for justice, but to crush dissent, leaving victims financially ruined, emotionally devastated, and socially isolated. This isn't just corruption, it's a shadow operation that permanently silences voices in opposition. Victims lose everything: family, reputation, livelihood, and often the hope for vindication. But why? Why this level of destruction? Simply put, because the system protects itself. These conspirators benefit from maintaining the status quo. Their promotions, influence, and financial gains depend on preserving this toxic structure. And for those who dare to speak out, the punishment is exemplary, to send a message to others who might be brave enough to resist. So what can we do? Awareness is the first step. Recognizing the patterns, demanding accountability, and sharing these stories is where empowerment begins. The more we expose these mechanisms, the harder it becomes for them to operate in the shadows. Keep asking questions, stay